Hello, Mzansi. Takasoko. This is an official statement by Kwebu attorney. Press release, Lekompo artist Bradley Mutswake, also known as Pobintin. Kindly note that there are news circulating on social media where it was alleged that our client was involved in a car accident. Kindly further note that those allegations are false and incorrect. Furthermore, kindly note that our client was not involved in a car accident, nor the people that he was traveling with. Moreover, kindly note that the matter has been handled legally against those who are spreading the false news. As Pobbiton's legal team, we would like to pass our gratitude in this challenging and overwhelming time. Your support is really appreciated. Yours faithfully, RB Gwebo Attorneys, Bitu Gwebo. You know, Zanzi, when I posted this video today in the morning, I saw the video circulating last night. I was like, okay, let me wait, let me chill. Maybe there'll be an official statement. I kept on refreshing my screen from time to time. And then around 9:10 in the morning, I was like, okay, let me just run with the story. If you can remember what I said allegedly. Because there was no official reports. Because how can a person get into an accident but for me, it didn't make any sense at that point. Hence, I wanted to read a statement and also reference Polo House. So I